Hey, how y'all doing? Is it true that this place is now a crosswalk? The bridge is now a crosswalk?
I think they're trying to finalize that.
Oh, okay. It's not complete yet, because I used to play over here. I used to play music, and they told me I had to play on the walk path now because it's now a crosswalk.
Yeah, they're real big on like obstructing like the walkway or whatnot. That's what charge for it.
Yeah, they were nice about it. They weren't crazy or nothing.
So even like setting up shop is like a big issue.
Yeah, well, I know that there was a lot of problems with like the homeless would come over here and sleep and shit. Yeah, and then one of them. Yeah, I know. Yeah, well, thank you. At least clearing up. It's still the same way, huh? I can't come over here and play my clarinet with a speaker.
Yeah.
Okay, for sure, for sure. Y'all stay up, man. Blessings. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, your boy Squiddy Jams back again. I do want to say, so I was talking to you guys earlier about the new regulations that have come into place. Well, since a police officer was murdered about 2 months ago on the bridge somewhere by Caesar's Palace. Ever since then, the police have been instructed to enforce laws and rules. Some of them aren't even legal rules, but they're enforcing what they're told to enforce. And those rules that they're enforcing is pretty much restricting buskers from performing where they usually perform at, on these bridges that we're walking past now. I mean, if it's a totally legal move, we don't know, but they're doing what they're told. And because of they're telling us that we can't be on the bridge, they tell us to go on the walk path instead. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to explore the bridge and see if we can find even one street performer where we used to find many. This bridge is also empty. Well, empty of music. This bridge once housed and provided for the lifestyles of many, including myself, street performers, local performers out here in Vegas, trying to make a living. This does not mean the end for street performing in Vegas, not at all. For as long as there is music, there is a place where you can play your music. If we can't be on the bridge, we'll be somewhere else. Where that place will be, many street performers may not know quite yet. I myself, I feel like I'm figuring it out, but I still have a few more things to learn. Let's see what we have here on the rest of our walk towards Caesar's Palace.